Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to add reference in Procreate. So first, open the Actions menu. Tap on the wrench icon in your tab Procreate toolbar to open the Actions menu. Then, open the Canvas menu. Within the Action menu, tap on the Canvas menu. Now, toggle on the reference features. Within the Canvas menu, you'll see a reference toggle. Turn this on to activate the reference feature. Now, import your reference photo. Once you've activated reference feature, it's time to put your photo into it. To do this, make sure you choose the image option. The canvas option will show your working canvas in your reference box. This is super cool, but not what we're going for here. Then, tap on the import button at the top or middle of your reference box. Now, find your photo and import it. Once you've added your photo to your reference box, you're ready to get started. If needed, drag the corners of your reference box to resize it. You can also move it around your canvas so it doesn't get in the way. Another really neat thing you can do with your reference photo is use the eyedropper with them. Simply activate your eyedropper and use it anywhere you need to in your reference photo to capture any colors you need. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.